Hello guys, today we try Jewel Ice Duo. It's a gadget to make perfect clear ice cube. Duo because I will make two big ball of ice, but you can find different shape. You can check on the website. For this gadget I want to thank Daniel Lee. He watched my video and said with all the liquor, the whiskey and the cocktail that you make, you need a gadget like this. So he sent me to try for you. Plus, thank you Sarah, because she lent me, or I borrow from her, this glass for whiskey. She is my friend expert in whiskey from Australia. Maybe in the future we can do a video together. Coming back to the gadget, I prepared already everything, now is in the refrigerator. Now I take it and because we should wait a few minutes, like we can read in the instruction. The instructions here are in English, Korean, Japanese and Chinese. So let's take the box and after explain you how I make a special ice ball for a special occasion. After you remove from the refrigerator, you should wait at least 5 minutes. In this way you can remove the mold from inside. Why I said you can use this for special occasion? Because yesterday night I take one ring of my wife, I tie to a fishing line and I hang it in the center of the mold. After I close the mold, I put the mold in the container with the water and I put in the refrigerator. You need to wait at least 24 hours. Now you can use this clear ball with a ring inside to ask to your girlfriends to marry you. You put in the glass, after you put a little bit of prosecco with bubbles, everything is more fancy, and you can ask to marry it if she want to marry you. If you are a girl and you want that your boyfriends marry you, you can do the same. You can make a gift to him and show this video. In this way you will send him a message. Plus I have another phone with an ice stick that I will use for the next video to make Moscow Mule and Mojito, but I will show you at the end of this video the final result. In this way that you can see if it works with the shape of balls or with the shape of stick. There is many shapes: diamonds, sphere, dia, stick, also skull. Sorry for my English. Okay, are you ready? Let's try. Spectacular. Ready to get married? So let's taste it. Really spectacular. The ice is really transparent. I'll show you again the one with the ring. The problem is the humidity inside the room, but the ice is really transparent. Maybe I can show you. This is only water, so no problem. You can see, very transparent. Let's try also the whiskey. Spectacular, especially with the homemade smoked whiskey. So inside here I put the other mold, every time I forgot the name. So there is a box with the insulation, the container like this, and inside different mold. This is a ice stick. Inside there is the other two sticks that you will see in the next video where we will make the cocktail together. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try this gadget, let us know down in the comment. In the comment of the video you can find the link, you can buy directly clicking on the link. Let us know your opinion. This one that you see now will be the cocktail. Bye bye!